know what you guys are thinking on my channel. Damn, I miss very cringy videos. Well, do you? Great, because I don't care. Let's go. This is a stupid name. Good. So, first off, welcome to my chilies. Shaking it well. Thank you guys for sticking with my channel. I haven't uploaded it. Hello. You guys will also see. And by the time I kind of changed it. So pretty much a year ago. It says 11 months ago. As the time I'm recording this video on the 31st, I might be recording tomorrow for the Champions League. The Champions! And I guess this is like my first vlog. So I've seen a lot of YouTubers do this, so you guys gotta hit that like button. Hit that. Yeah. Subscribe. Sorry. It's not the. Come on. Hit that subscribe. But after you hit subscribe, there's a little bell, and that bell says all the videos that's coming up. Yeah, come on. And I'm gonna put this as for returning subscribers because you guys are probably coming back. And I got 10 subs back, so thanks. I'll start to make videos more often, and see ya. Bye.